What's good, people? You know the Martian is back. Let's bring it in, people. Let's bring it in. Let's bring it in. Whew. Busy week, busy day, busy night, busy life. Thank God for all of it. Salute to everybody. What's good? It is I, Space Baby Wayne. I am waiting for you to tune in. Let's go. Got some highlights, got some recaps, got a review, and a little snippet later on or something like that. A little take on something that I saw a few minutes ago that was surprising. Wasn't expecting that battle, but you'll see it on the channel later on tonight. But yeah, bring it in, people. Bring it in. We live tonight. So if y'all want to talk about something, drop it in the comments. Y.O.D.A.G.A.N.G. Young, organized, determined achievers guiding a new generation. You are now tuned in. Space Baby Wayne Battle Rap Views. I am here. I am your guy. I am here to give you my view, my take, my honest opinion on the battles, the music, the leagues that I've seen on the page, Battle Rap Views on Facebook. Check us out. Drop your videos. Drop your battles. We're going to come back to you. But yeah. Basically, I think it's time for somebody to actually become a blogger for the lower tier battles. Like for the lower tier leagues and battlers, you know what I mean? Not saying that the lower tiers are bad, because they're not. You get what I'm saying? It's just, we know how the pecking order is. You know what I'm saying? It's just with anything. Yes, I do got my notes, so stay in tune. But yeah, I feel, why not blog on people from, this side of the field? At the end of the day, there's many people that got talent to be in the big leagues, and many people that don't. You know what I mean? Some people know why, some people don't. But let's give them all light. Let's give them all light. We all in the same sport. It's fun, entertainment. Yes, you got to make money off of it. Yes, you got to try to make a living or whatever the case is. But at the end of the day, you are here to entertain somebody else. Bottom line. No matter how much you do it for yourself, you got to think about other people too. So with that being said, salute to everybody. Everybody salute, salute, salute. Big shout outs to everybody that's doing this. And I kind of drew a blank just now. I just had a lot of shit on my mind earlier. I'm not gonna get into it. But hey, back to these notes. I spaced out for a minute. We got music highlights. We got Ziggy B and Two Tone. I'm gonna tell you, this video is dope. The music is dope. Check the video out. Listen to the words. Sometimes you gotta get away from trap music a little bit. You know what I'm saying? It ain't nothing wrong with trap music. I listen to it all the time. But this is far from trap music, far from drill music. This is one of those, you play it back in the 90s, it got quality. You know what I'm saying? You play in the early 2000s, it got quality. You play it now, it got quality. So at the end of the day, it's a quality video, quality song. Trap. The track is dope, smooth, mellow joint. And what else I got for that? Yeah, basically that. It's good. My fault. I'm going all over the place. I gotta regroup, people. I gotta regroup. Let me do it again. I gotta regroup. This is why I love going live, because this shit's so fun, bro. I swear it is. We all learn together. Hiccups. So, back to the music highlights. The next highlight is A.V. Hey, if y'all ain't see A.V. the Count video, y'all just don't know about music. When I tell you that shit is fire, yeah, it's one of those. I can't say nothing bad about it. I don't want to say nothing more about it. I just want to tell y'all go and watch that damn video. Put that shit in your playlist. Y'all got videos? Y'all got songs? Y'all know exactly where to drop it. Battle Rap Views. We got you. My team gonna hit you up. We're gonna let you know how we think about it, how we feel about it, and all that good shit. We got OG Prana. Big Drip. Big Drip. I'll be honest with you, OG. I like the song, but I'm not sure if you purposely put the extra bass distortion up there. I'm not sure, because that part was kind of... But other than that, you already know, you fire. You fire, like, hands down, hands up, whatever, you fire. I fucks with your music, dope talent, salute, keep dropping more footage, keep dropping more everything up there on the page and everything like that. Alright? Now, we got 2 events coming up December 5th. We got Carolina Premiere. New Faces. 2. Rookies versus Vets. I'm going to be honest with you, bro. That's a stacked card. That card is stacked. Like, straight up stacked. Yoda. I want to see everybody on that card try to go for a body. Like, real shit. There's too many names up there. I don't watch all of y'all battles. Don't think I haven't. I watch all of y'all battles. I expect somebody to get a 30 clip. I expect 2 debatables. And the other one should be easy wins. Not easy like that, but you know what I mean? Yeah, you know who won that battle. You get what I'm saying? But yeah, definitely, that's a stacked card. Carolina Premiere, December 5th. New Faces 2, Rookies versus Vets. Then we got Let's Talk About It. They present the Audacity 2. That's a good card also. I rock with that. What I'm going to do is, when that whole entire event, when both events drop, I'm going to just do a full recap of the whole entire event. That's what I'm going to do. I'm waiting for that. I'm going to do that. I'm going to start doing that. Yeah, it'll be, yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I got y'all. I'm going to try to get the people what y'all want. You know what I'm saying? All right, my bad. I see you. I'll coach Little League later. That's tomorrow. But yeah, we're gonna get back into these little, recaps and shit. I gotta flip my pages. Yeah. Y'all hate when I got notes? Or y'all rock with it? I mean, I'm trying to do something for y'all. I mean, look, this shit takes time. You know how long I sit here and watch battles? I'm not complaining. I'm just saying. I love it. I should have did this shit in school. That's fucked up. I know. So now, on to the first recap. We got our Society Battle League. This one is the graduation. WORDPLAY the Menace versus SHANZ HOLMES. Bruh, bruh, this one right here, it was a one rounder, and somebody got their ass whooped. But yeah, shout out to SHANZ Homes, Free Your Mind Clothing. Salute, I see you. I'm gonna get some apparel soon. I got you. We got wordplay going up out the gate. I would say, in all honesty, y'all already know how I do it. I'm gonna give y'all my straight up honest opinion. I'm gonna let y'all know how I feel about it. It ain't nothing personal. I'm just going based off of the material that I watched in that particular battle. So don't think I'm saying your whole career is ass unless I say your whole career was ass. Alright? So outside of that, don't take none of this shit personal. It's only battle rap. Out the gate, wordplay ain't have much of wordplay. Delivery was okay, but that was it at first. And then you had, truthfully speaking, people trying to call me in the middle of this shit. Hey, I'm back. You said, truthfully speaking, I'll use the ladder. Put a hole in his top, have his roof leaking. I like that bar. This is the problem, though. This is the problem. Everything before that bar and everything after that bar, until when you said the Simpson bar, it was like everything around it wasn't really, it wasn't hitting, bro. No matter how much the crowd gave you cheers and all that, it just wasn't hitting, bro. I'm being real with you. And it's all due respect, but it wasn't hitting like that. It wasn't really saying much. But then you said, after the shower of bullets, you're going to need more than a poncho? Look, that right there is what you should have had from the jump. That type of shit throughout the whole battle. You know what I mean? The Hardy Boys setup and punch was dope. I like that. Then you said, Grumma said, before you walk out the door, take care of the home first. That shit was lit, my nigga. I fucks with that bar. This is what I'm saying. Have those type of wordplay bars throughout your whole entire rounds. No matter what. Throughout the whole entire rounds, bro. My bad. Can you hear me now? Yo, let me know if you can hear me now. Because you know what I mean? If not, I'll start this whole live back. My fault. Can you hear me, bro? All right. So look, we gonna go back. We gonna go back. We gonna go back. Let me see. Hold on. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. My fault, people. Bear with me. Bear with me, people. We'll be all right. We're gonna make sure this shit get right. All right. So look, my fault. We got you going. You got your whole round. You know what I mean? You had some good bars with those materials that I said. You know what I mean? But outside of that, it wasn't really much that you were saying. And that's just in all honesty. You know what I'm saying? Your punches weren't too heavy. They were like more of an arm shot. Like if somebody punched you real hard in the arm. You know what I mean? It wasn't one of them chest shots that take your breath away. Like, damn. You know what I mean? You almost had it, but no. It's just, hey, it's. Then on top of that, I would say it sounded like a lot of filler in between those punches. And not much was tailored for your opponent outside of those direct punches that you said. You know what I mean? I would say overall, add clever wordplay to your material. You show glimpses of good bars, but not great bars. And what you need is great bars in order for your name, Wordplay the Menace, to make sense. If you get it, think about it. But overall, good shit, good effort. Not gonna kill you. Um, I'll keep a lookout for some more of your work. You know what I mean? Drop some more, drop more of your work on the page. Battle rap views, or yeah, just hit me in the DM or some shit. You know what I mean? Hit one of us. Yeah, yeah. So let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back. I want to say one more thing. I know the crowd was cheering for you and stuff, which is cool, but you gotta understand, gas doesn't count, bro. Gas doesn't count. When you really look back at the video, and watch the playback and listen to your material, you understand everything I said makes a whole lot more sense. But now let's go to Shan's home round. This nigga here, off muscle, snapped, straight snapped. Like it wasn't. It's listen. Shan's home. Why? Why, bro? Why? Why you do that man like that? Huh? You think that's cool? It was, but you think that's cool? This nigga bodied him, yo. I swear he did. Yo, it's like I'm gonna tell y'all straight up, over it. When I first watched the battle, right? Of course, I watched the battle to, you know what I mean, to see if the battle was good or not. Then I watched the battle again to take notes. And I literally got to the point where I was like, yo, do I actually want to write any of this shit down? Like, I really don't want to do this man a disservice and try to spit his bars. And it don't sound like the way he spit it, even though it's the words he used. Bruh, this shit, this is the wordplay needed. In all actuality, bro. On God, he needed that wordplay. This is what I want y'all to do, though. I want y'all to go to Battle Rap Views. Look all the way down there. You're going to see SHANZ HOLMES versus Wordplay the Menace. You click on it. You can listen to wordplay round. I suggest you to listen to it. Give him a chance. Give this man a chance. He's not a bum. He's not bad. He's good. Give him a chance. Right? But listen to Holmes round. This nigga wigged the whole entire time, bro. The entire time he wigged. The entire time. The entire time. It's like, I didn't want to write notes, but because I fucks with y'all the most, you know, I decided I'll take some. I'll take some notes. Listen, listen. I'm not going to say nowhere near half of what he said. When I tell you this, he snapped, my nigga. He snapped. That's it. He snapped. That's it. He snapped. He snapped. He snapped. Period. He snapped. Graduation, what's up? They gave Holmes work. A word alignment. I said, do you want it? And didn't? Or get word in line? Oh my gosh, my nigga. Listen. Skip. Skip this man's round for a minute. I know I just told you not to. Skip this man's round. Just for 1 minute. Just for 1 minute. just to check out SHANZ Holmes. This is just the setup. The whole scheme was fire. The whole scheme was fire, my nigga. Nigga said, I'll wet you, your bitch together. Y'all can share a bath. All they find is a body of words. That's a paragraph. Oh my God. What? You know, it's crazy. I kind of reached a little bit when I was like overthinking it, like a pair of graphs, right? That would have been, hey, hey, the bar was fire. I don't give a fuck what you said. The bar was fire. Check that whole shit out. Check that whole shit out. Nigga said they're gonna need a dictionary to find words. That went over people's heads, and I guarantee you it's gonna go over yours too when you hear it. You ain't gonna catch it at first. I know you ain't, because he said it so fast. In all actuality, by this punch, I knew it was over. I knew it was over. It was like wordplay needed this in order to compliment his name. Wordplay the menace. You know what I'm saying? But it just, I guess this battle it was needed for wordplay to learn from by somebody who has wordplay. I'm, hey, my observation. So your man said, watch your words play before you talking through a machine and gotta read your words play. Oh, watch your words play before you have to read through a machine and have to watch your words play. My nigga, what the fuck was you thinking? What the fuck was you thinking, bro? What was you thinking? That shit was lit. That shit was lit. That shit was lit. I don't give a fuck what anybody say. That shit was lit. That shit was lit. Watch the battle, bro. Just watch his round then. If that's the case, if you don't want to watch the whole battle, watch his round. Watch his round. I got you. Your man said, see, I took out your teeth and your tongue because you ain't got no wordplay when you bumping your gums. But all this drinking and smoking, I can use a kidney and some lungs. I was looking for your heart, couldn't find one. Oh my fucking God, bro. Really? Nigga. Nigga. That's the fuck. That's what I'm talking about right there. That's what I'm talking about. Side note, at this point, this is what happened. I wanted to call time for the sake of Menace because I was starting to feel bad for this man. And it was like I started to see his soul flying and high-fiving the other bodies that SHANZ Holmes caught. And it's like, damn, Chief, it's a bad way to die. It's a bad way to die. But Holmes left Earth, and yeah. Mm-mm. Nope, I'm not even gonna say that. Hey, I wrote something real bad. I'm not gonna say that. I'm not gonna say that. Mm-mm. Nope. Mm-mm. Nope. 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 But your man said, I don't give a fuck if word was dolo or word with friends. I'll leave him dyslexic. He won't know where word end or word begin. Clicking up. You need help from a group. He said, clicking up, you need help from a group. I'll take words from a chef and make alphabet soup. Oh my Lord. Oh my Lord. Oh my Lord. Where's my fire? Bruh. 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 All right. So There was like a few more minutes left in that round, right? And I stopped writing. I stopped taking notes. Oh, wait, wait. That SAT scheme, my nigga, that SAT. Check the battle out. Check out SHANZ Holmes. Rate his work. Let him know what you think about what he did. You get what I'm saying? Like, for real. Artists need this. Battlers need this. Battlers need this. They need our opinions in all actuality. It might sound like it's crazy, but they need our opinions. Why? Because what they do is for us as well as for them. It is what it is. But all I say is to end that, um, that man is ready for the big leagues, bro. That man is ready for the big leagues. It's no denying it. It's undeniable talent. He's ready for the big leagues. Like, there's no way you could tell me that he got all this substance, all this material, all this charisma and stamina and everything like that that comes with being a battle rapper that we would want to hear, and he's not ready for those you know what I mean? Those tiers up there. In my opinion, I can see him in front of Suge, and it'd be a fire ass battle. I can see him in front of JC. That'd be a dope ass battle. Chilla Jones. Who else? It's so many people. Even if we go RBE route, I go SHANZ Holmes versus Mac Myron. Tell me that won't be fire. What? I know. I know. I know. I know. I know. I know. SHANZ Holmes versus Mac Myron. Yeah, I said it. I If that battle happens, remember where you got it first. That battle needs to happen. I promise you. We gotta see him on a bigger level. Y'all gonna understand. I'm just saying. But outside of that, salute. I see what you're doing. Keep on working. Keep on improving. And keep on dropping more material and battle rap views. I will be watching. I'm tuned in. The whole squad is tuned in. And salute to OSBL. They had a surprise battle drop I wasn't expecting before I went live. Homecoming 2020. You got Northeast J. Sorry, Northeast Tay versus D.I.D.A.G.A.N.G. I started writing notes. Did I finish? But I will tell y'all this. Henny Black, Tay Snap. It was a fire battle. It was a fire battle. Go check that battle out. Matter of fact, I'm about to drop that battle in a few minutes. About to drop that battle in a few minutes. But yeah, my boy Ayo, J.O. took shots. That's what I'm talking about. Send more shots, bro. Send more shots. Nah, but real talk. Keep doing your shit, bro. Like keep doing your shit. Keep doing your shit for real. Cause I understood exactly what you meant by you're ready for the next level of pain. You know what? If I had to put two people together in a battle, it would be you versus SHANZ Holmes. I don't know if y'all did battle or not. Did y'all? Wait, y'all probably did. No. Uh, I watched so many damn battles. But either way, if y'all didn't, that'll be a fight battle because y'all both pins is it's up there. It's up there. But yeah, I'm not gonna hold y'all people up too much longer. what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drop another blog in a minute. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna surprise y'all with another blog. But tune into the channel Space Baby Wayne Battle Rap Views on YouTube. Subscribe, like, share, comment. I'm here for the people. You got top tier bloggers for the top tier battlers, and you're gonna have a top tier blogger for this level. It's me. Me. Now I'm fucking trying. But all jokes aside, tune in, Space Baby Wayne Battle Rap Views. I am here. Go to YouTube, check us out. Like, subscribe, share, comment. The whole nine. I'm here for the people. Go to Facebook. Battle Rap Views. Drop your videos. You a battle rapper? You a league artist? Are you a battle rap fan? If you got music, drop that shit. Drop your battles. We're gonna tune in. We're gonna talk about it. If we don't talk about it yet, give us a shot. Give us a chance. We got you. I promise. We got you. We here for the people. We are here for the people. Yoda. One more thing. I'll be back. When I come back, I need y'all to tune in because I got something real special to drop for y'all.